Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonal Holland, Master of Wine. The store manager at the Cellar food hall where I am right now just confirmed to me that nearly 8 out of 10 people who walk in through the door looking for wine bottles to buy are heavily influenced and are favorably and positively influenced by the word RESERVA on a wine label. So I thought I'd use today's video to talk about what does the word RESERVA really mean. To most consumers, the word RESERVA really denotes a higher quality or something special in the bottle. But in the real terms, let me first talk about where did this word originate from. Historically, wine producers used to use RESERVA on wine labels when there was a certain proportion of wine that they used to keep back for releasing at a later date. But in today's contemporary terms, what does the word RESERVA really mean? Yes, it still holds true that in some countries like Italy or Spain, like this in these two bottles for example, this is a Spanish wine and this is an Italian wine, the word RESERVA does mean that the wine has been through certain minimum aging in barrels prior to its release. This obviously translates into more positive attributes for the wine in terms of more complex, more deeper, intense flavors, and so automatically the wine in the bottle at the time of release is of a superior quality. So RESERVA on bottles from Spain and Italy would by law mean that this is a wine that has been through a stipulated minimum time of aging in oak barrels and also aging in bottles prior to being released. But in case of most other countries, particularly the non-European countries, and I'm talking about countries like America, New Zealand, Australia, Chile, South Africa, and India even, the word RESERVA could actually mean something or nothing, because the law does not stipulate that there needs to be a minimum withholding period of aging or maturation or anything before putting or being in a position to put RESERVA on a label. So at best, a producer may add the word RESERVA on a label where he may have genuinely put the wine through some sort of aging and he believes that the grapes that go into making of the wine come from superior parcels of land. So I would say the next time you go looking for the word RESERVA on your label, yes, if you're buying from certain European countries, particularly from Italy and Spain, the word RESERVA would mean something and the price tag would mean accordingly. But otherwise, if you're looking for wines from Argentina or Chile or South Africa with the word RESERVA on it, be careful, because the law does not actually stipulate that the word RESERVA means anything at all. So the wine could be special or could mean nothing at all.